great pool start with a great pool finish. And only Pebble Technology is the original creator of quality, durable aggregate finishes. Our unique time-tested PebbleTech brand formula is composed of 3 unique separators: our time-tested pigments, our highly trained applicators, and our unique mixing formula. It's the formula the world has been chasing ever since we invented it. PebbleTech was the first to patent the process for durable, naturally beautiful pebble pool finishes in the United States over 2 decades ago. Since that time, our unique formulas have been the industry's standard for excellence. Our formula allows our colors to stand the test of time and allows us the confidence to provide you with a color guarantee. But that is not all. We also offer our very own P3 additive. P3 is a unique additive developed by the R&D team at Pebble Technology that provides your finish with even more durability, even brighter colors, and even more strength. For a durable and color-guaranteed finish, you can trust in the world's most trusted pool finishes. Trust the pool finishes of Pebble Technology.